Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a tag in YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your YouTube studio where you can start editing your shorts in your YouTube videos. So basically, you make sure that you have YouTube studio, you go to it, and basically now all we need to do is to go to our content. Basically here we will find all the content. Then you can start filtering if you have many videos, etc. You can just filter by shorts so you can find only your shorts. So from here, I can find the shorts that I have here. All we need to do now is to start editing our shorts so we can add tags to it. And all we need to do is to click on this 3 point icon. We click on it, and from here we will find share video, edit, etc. And we need just to go to edit. Now, as you can see, you can either add a description, visibility, etc. And what we are interested in is the tags. So basically you go to the tags, and from here you click on add a tag. You will need just to type anything, you confirm, and basically a tag will be added. For example, let's just type trending and we enter, and basically now we have entered the tag. And also you can start deleting a tag by clicking on the cross or the X icon, and basically this is how you can add a tag. And of course you can start allow the video and audio remixing, so you can let other people start audio remixing or video remixing your shorts, so there can be some interactivity, etc. You can add the paid promotion label, etc. if you would like. So if you want to have some promotion label, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.